this smallish pantry. Okay, so I was thinking of doing a pantry challenge so that I can use up all the things that I have that I've thought I would use and I haven't gotten around to doing that. So I looked up and apparently there is a challenge already out there that people do. You are just supposed to use everything that you already have and not buy anything. So I'm going to be doing just that. Let's see what all I have and what all I want to get rid of, sort of, to just cook it all up. I mean, look at this. It's so empty, so clean after, last night's cleanup. But then this is again going to fill up like really badly. I mean, everything's going to be out now. I don't know why kitchens can stay empty because you have to cook every day. And even if you don't, you have to wash utensils, everything, which means it's going to be full again. So I've taken everything out of my fridge. I have a few more things in this smallish pantry, so I'm thinking like what all I need to do. I got this garlic and chili seasoning from the Royal Melbourne show and I still haven't used it, so today is the day. And I have all of these things. This actually I recently bought to see how I can do with this, because one thing is really great that you get a lot of pre-cut frozen vegetables, so that just saves time, because if you're meal prepping, you're batch cooking, cutting a lot of things and then cooking all of those can be really tiring. So let's get started. I'll just add a list of everything that I've taken out and we'll see how many we can get through and how many is still there. Okay, so let's get started. Also, there are two things that have gone bad. This 4 salad leaf thing, I'll have to throw it out. And this just coriander stems, there's nothing there. And then we also have lettuce, which is basically dying. I'll cut it up to see if it is salvageable. I don't think so, but I do have another as well. Let's hope this works. And this just has had like dirty water dropping everywhere, so I'll have to wipe that as well. Still good. Onion is making me cry, but I've had this half an onion in the fridge for long, so finally I've had this half pack for 4 months now. So I'm making a salad in this. It's full of lettuce because that's all I add. I added some onions, capsicum, and I already had jalapenos and olive. Cut those, added those. Sun-dried tomatoes I've had for 4 months. Finally opened it, and then added some cream cheese. I'm going to add pasta for some just taste. I had this, so only this much is left. So finally this is being used as well, and I'll add Thousand Island dressing and Italian dressing. We'll have a pasta which will be majorly lettuce though. I'm finally done. This is the amount of salad I have, but we have Empties, spaghetti. This was half full masala, okra, some peas, and pasta sauce. So we have quite a few Empties. So it was a success even though we made just 3 dishes, a bowl full of salad and veggies loaded spaghetti with more water than I would have liked, and also okra. So it's still a successful cooking spree for me.